a lot of solar toys. This one is a solar gondola check, and this one here is a solar alarm clock. Works with solar, uses a rechargeable battery. And then I have this cat. This is runs on battery. This is a solar light, and if I cover the solar panel, the light will go on because this is a regular light, and I just took the rest of the fixture off and I attach it to the high-fiving cat. So if you ever wonder how this toy works, it's I guess pretty simple. There's the arm, and the bottom here is a small magnet. The arm moves like that, back and forth, and you have a little coil here, very fine wire. I don't actually see any circuitry here, although there's a circuit board here. I guess the principle is if you move the magnet over the coil, it will create electricity. And in this case here, the reverse is true. You supply electricity to the coil. It moves the magnet. It moves, and therefore the arm. So that's how it works. So that's how this thing works. The battery. So to make the soldering of the wire easier, I'm going to solder the wire over here. I'm going to solder the wire over here. Otherwise, if I solder it over here, it'll probably melt the plastic. So I'll do the same for the negative side also. I'll solder it at this point over here so it won't melt the plastic. For the attachment to the solar side, this is the solar panel, and this is the NC battery. I'll just attach the battery wire to the negative here. You see there's a tab. I'm going to raise this. I don't know how well you see this. I'm going to raise this tab here, and also on this side, so that when you solder, you won't melt the plastic part here. Okay, one more connection to go. That should do it. Okay. Now I'm gonna reassemble the whole thing and see if it'll work. Make sure the arm rotates freely. Tuck in your wires and make sure they don't come off. So now Mr. Golden Pussycat is waving his arm on solar. No battery there. And that's the solar panel there. And no battery underneath. You can actually install a battery here or inside the light here, or you can put two of them in there, and they will be charged by the solar panel. So I think that's what I'll do. I'll put some hot glue here to secure it. Okay, so here's the high-fiving solar golden pussycat